So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to contact seller on Etsy. So for that guys, first of all you'll have to open any web browser on your computer and then search for etsy.com. So guys, after coming on their website, you guys will have to log into your account and then you guys will have to choose the shop. Let's say I want to buy this product and I want to talk to the seller of this item. So I'll go down on this page and after scrolling down a little bit, I will guys find this option right here called message seller's name. So after clicking on this button, I can guys type my message to the seller and I can also ask the frequently asked questions by clicking on this button. So guys, you can choose any frequently asked questions or you can type your own message right here. And after typing your message, you just have to click on this button right here. And as you can see guys, you can also upload an image with your message. And after clicking on this button, your message will be sent to the seller and then you can have contact with the seller by after getting the reply from the seller. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then please subscribe to our channel and thanks for watching.